Good morning, Oakland High School. I'm Zachary Hartley, and you're watching Oakland Golden News. This is your news for events. On March 21st, Music and Art Festival at Oakland High School. On March 22nd, we have National Honor Society ceremony. And through March 4th through 7th, we'll have WV All-State Band and WV All-State Chorus going to states. This is all of your news for announcements. This is your news for sports. First, we have the states for wrestling being March 5th to March 7th. So good luck to everybody that made it to states. Secondly, the Oakland swim team at states did phenomenal, being third overall in the state, with their medley relay being second, their 200 relay being third, and their 400 relay being second. So congrats, along with many other school records. Lastly, we have spring sports starting up. This is all of your news. For our top story, we have Z Hart. No! Anyways, Z Hart is going to have a new album called Birds in a Storm. You can get it March 27th. It is hopefully going to be on Spotify and Apple Music, so you can go ahead and see it then. There will be a ton of different things, and there will be a live stream listening party that you can watch too. It's one of my biggest projects yet, and I hope you guys can listen. Thanks for tuning in. This is your news for your forecast. For today, we have a high of 69 and a low of 53. As we move on to the weekends, we will have hotter temperatures, being 72 tomorrow and a low of 58. With also rain on that day and throughout the week as it comes. We will also have daylight savings times coming soon. This is all of your news for the forecast. I'm Zachary Hartley from Oakland High School, and you're watching Oakland Golden News.